Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your wallet on GOATS Airdrop and also how to withdraw your funds after the listing date is set up and the airdrop launched. So this tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now you want to open up your GOATS. And after that, you will see here a lot of tasks which you can complete, but you will also see here at the top, connect your wallet, and also right there, connect your wallet and do option. So choose any of these, click connect. Now you will have all of these options like OKX, BitGet, Bybit, Timekeeper, Telegram, D-Wallet, and so on and so forth. Choose the one which fits you the best. I'm just going to choose Timekeeper and click connect wallet, enter the passcode, and after that you will be redirected to your GOATS. After some time you will see your wallet already connected, and here it is. It load up and now your wallet is connected. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.